This is the final progress update for 2025, which brings a little bit of sadness to my face because I feel like I'm like running and sprinting to the finish line. This week's been hectic to just get a whole bunch of stuff done that we wanted to finish. But Daryl, do we have any cool little tidbits of news that we could find interesting?
You want to find something interesting? I learned today that almost all of Sam Altman's net worth isn't from OpenAI.
Oh, really?
He was rich before that, right?
Yeah, but so he built some really shitty app called Looked or something, and it wasn't that good. But I think it was Pete Campbell from Y Combinator took a serious liking to him and gave him an opportunity to invest in Stripe early on. And his investment in Stripe is more than half of his net worth now because he, like, for whatever reason, he bought in at like 10K at like a percent or something. That's worth heaps of money.
Is that why Musk and him hate each other?
No, Musk and him hate each other because he was the president of Y Combinator for a while, and then he decided that he wanted to work in this OpenAI, and it was meant to be a not-for-profit. And Elon Musk was like, "Sweet, it's open, it's not for profit." And then he took over and went, "It's for profit now."
Yeah,
boys.
and then Musk
that profits it.
Yeah, but also that's how I got really rich. I invested all my money in Stripe.
Did you? Nice.
Yeah, that's
what I tell people.
That's why I hang out with all of you guys. To finish off this year is something that we are doing, which is very important, building a business. But it's been about refining and then refinement because there's not enough time to obviously start massive projects, which we're saving for 2026. So keep your eyes peeled. But at this... Oh my God. I can't he actually looks like an elf.
Is that a suit jacket or is that like Michael Jackson Thriller?
Thank you, boys.
He's got his Christmas jacket. I mean, all right. Well, the episode's all about Zach.
And
it's really
as it should be.
Green
screen. Let me turn off the green screen. It's pretty rough. Here we go. Do you like it, boys? Do you like me?
I mean, it's... Yeah, okay. We had a few people saying that the project sidebar was a bit overwhelming when you landed into it. And I reckon we've shredded, 60% of what was there, Dazza?
Yep.
Easily. So it's feeling way cleaner. I just even removed some more just then. And we have released File Storage 2.0, a long 2 weeks after releasing version 1. We've released version 2, which was the actual vision we wanted to do. So that's there, ready to go, and should be in production very soon. So very excited about that. What about everyone else?
Talk about moving at pace. We're up to V2 already, 1 week in. File storage.
Do what you got to do. Anyone else have anything exciting that they can finish off the year? Zach, what about you, mate?
I got this cool jacket. I got this cool jacket that was exciting. It's this is how you keep your marriage alive, boys. This is how you do it.
What?
Become a magician? I don't have anything up my sleeve this week other than the jacket. Content for next year, dude. We are making some changes actually. As of today, we started a new channel. As if we didn't have enough channels.
What?
And we're not bringing back Clipflow Crew. Sorry to all the fans out there. We're actually starting Ken's vlog channel, which is dope. So we want to find out if the audience mismatch is why we're struggling so much with building new community. I have a feeling that could be what it is, but I guess there's only one way to find out.
Do you mean starting from zero? So we're not like changing audiences that are already built.
That's right. He has 1 subscriber right now. So if you're watching this and you want to watch Ken build a business again, you know what to do.
Subscribe.
Yeah, please.
Please. And watch the videos if you do.
Yeah, that's right.
How do I have 1 subscriber? Is it you?
Yeah, let's go.
It's going to cook the algorithm though.
No, I'm the target demographic. I do watch it.
You'll just go skip. I've seen this 50 times.
Yeah, I've already watched 7 revisions of this.
All right.
But yeah, it feels like, Ken, you said it this morning, it feels like this time of year is like chance to clean up, like clean up everything, try and refine what we're doing, refocus, I guess, right?
Feels good. What's everyone doing for Christmas?
I am up in Queensland right now, near Zach, but not close enough where we want to see each other. And then I'm driving back to Sydney, and I'll spend it with some in-laws. So nothing particularly crazy. I'll be in the bush for a bunch of days as well.
Nice.
Voluntarily?
Canyoning leaders course.
Canyoning leaders course.
I'll take other
You
people.
hang out the brown snakes and the black snakes.
I think of all the LinkedIn content. Oh my gosh. Oh, what What Canyon
Here's
taught me about B2B sales?
No, not just canyoning, canyon leadership.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's got the word in the title.
Excellent. Daryl, what are you doing, mate? Apart from trying to recharge your battery or take that sadness level down.
Fixing short form content is one of my big ones for next year, and continuing to improve the system. So we did the file storage lists and realized that list pages in general will be very helpful for helping people navigate and see everything that's going on in a project. So looking at continuous improvement of the Clipflow project to make it even easier to use, and at the same time trying to fix my short form content on my channel, on my Instagram. Those are my two things. For the holidays, I'm going down south for a week and up north for a week.
At the same time.
South and north.
Nice.
It's going to cut himself in half.
AI, baby.
Yep. Here we go. What about you, Zachary?
Christmas time is for family, and I'll probably avoid them as much as I can this Christmas.
Oh, what?
And no. It'll be great. I'm going to go hang out with fam. It's fun having Christmas with little kids because it's just different with our little girl. It's kind of like reliving it again as your childhood. So that'll be sick. Probably going to watch the F1 movie next week. Probably the first time I watched a full movie in a long time.
And Fast and the Furious.
And Fast and Furious. Daryl has...
Sorry, they made another one.
No.
He hasn't seen a single one.
Any
He
of
needs to watch one of them.
It's in my contract.
Have you guys
if I don't do it,
watch the whole
I'm in
series?
trouble.
Yeah, but
Nah.
Yeah, I've watched all of them.
Yeah.
The only ones worth watching are the early ones, but I've watched them all.
It's about family. So.
It
is about family.
It's a perfect Christmas movie.
And
it is a Christmas
spaceships.
movie.
Car spaceships.
Yeah. What about you, Ken? What are you doing?
I don't have anything planned, which is
Nothing.
Nothing.
You've already done Christmas stuff this week.
Well, I'm going to do a Christmas day up in Sydney, but that's it. There is nothing else planned. So I'll probably build Lego.
Yes.
Cool.
Can't stop building.
And doom scroll on my phone.
That'll last you 4 hours before you're sick of building Lego.
Yeah, and then I'm going to doom scroll on my phone because I won't be allowed to work. That's going to be the hardest part, I think.
We get back, Ken started 3 more channels. Sick. Thanks, bro.
Nothing.
There's another app.
No, I'll be chilling. I'll try and turn off my brain, and I won't turn off my brain. It won't happen, but I'll do as little as possible. Put it that way.
No, getting the Ken grief with the tool belt on that content.
Yeah. Oh,
that's a new channel.
Now we're talking about.
That's a different platform as well.
Only Ken's.
All right. Well, that's about wraps it up, and there's going to be a lot cut out of this one.
No,
anyway,
come on.
We will catch you on the next year.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
See you
Christmas,
later,
gangsters.
Peace.
Bye.